Hi guys, welcome to Top Notch 300, your favorite channel for tech and tricks. In this tutorial I will show you exactly what you need to do in order to get unlimited months of protonVPN Premium without you needing to pay for it. This is directly approved by protonVPN. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. protonVPN will be paid real money for these serial codes, for the allocations of these codes. So basically it works like this. You're going to watch some video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a pretty significant amount of money will be credited to your protonVPN account, which is converted into 3 months. So for example, I could receive $100 credits basically for watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It is really easy, and this level of advertisement made for protonVPN was released this year, I believe. Okay, today we are diving into the worlds of VPNs, or virtual private networks. If you have ever wondered what a VPN is, how it works, and why you might need one, this video is for you. First thing first, what exactly is a VPN? A virtual private network, or VPN, is a service that allows you to create a secure and encrypted connection over the internet. Imagine it as a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, where all the data passes through safely. So, how does a VPN work? When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through a secure server, which encrypts your data and hides your IP address. This means that anyone trying to snoop on your online activities will see the VPN server's IP address instead of yours, making it much harder for third parties to track you. So, why is a VPN even important? If you are worried about safe online transactions, for those who often conduct transactions or manage sensitive information online, a VPN can add an extra layer of security to prevent data theft and data leaks. In some countries, access to certain websites or services is restricted or censored. A VPN allows you to bypass these restrictions by making it appear as though you are accessing from the internet from a different location. Alright guys, the first step is to go to the website I am showing right now. Here you can get virtually unlimited months of protonVPN Premium. The only requirement is to qualify first, but do not worry. It is very easy and it takes only 2 minutes or less. Just read the quick instructions and you are ready to go. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves protonVPN and wants to get free premium months license for free. If you want me to review more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. And if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content, and have a great day and enjoy this giveaway.